Welcome to 8207 Baptist Church Road in Mardela Springs. It's our newest listing. Come in the front door, we have a spacious living room. Spacious eat-in kitchen, has updated appliances. Right here we have access to the single car garage, separate dining area. Right through here is the Jack and Jill bathroom, which leads out to the first floor bedroom between closets. One of my favorite features about this home is the huge screened-in porch, which is the ideal setting for entertaining. Leads out to a huge rear deck and above-ground pool. The home sits on 1.5 acres of land, no neighbors to the rear, and lies in the ever-popular Mardela Springs School District. To see this home, contact me on my cell right away. We believe it's going to sell very quickly.